Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design. It's mid-November and I'm not going to talk about Christmas, but I am going to talk about the next best thing, and that is holly.
I don't suppose that anyone needs to be introduced to holly, a common sight in fields and hedgerows across the UK. It is in fact one of our 3 native evergreen trees and tends to grow in a rather loose canopy, with the branches arching and drooping as they get older. Holly usually responds well to being cut back, and as long as the plant is healthy and has a healthy root system, it can be cut back quite hard. This means it is quite easy to prune trees regularly to keep them to a desired size. It also means you can use them for a sort of informal topiary. Clearly not as crisp as the box shown here or you, because the leaves are much bigger and the whole canopy is looser, but perhaps making it into a standard where the clear stem below and a rather ball-shaped canopy, that's entirely reasonable with holly in a garden. But of course, if you clip it and prune it back a couple of times a year to keep it in shape, you won't get berries. And berries, of course, are one of the key attractions of holly. Incidentally, there are a couple of varieties with yellow instead of red berries if you want to go off-piste with holly. A key point to bear in mind, and this may explain why you may see a group of trees and one of them is not bearing any berries whereas the others are laden, is that holly, along with a few other trees, are what we call dioecious. This means that not only are the male and female flowers separate on the plant, but they actually have separate varieties. So any one variety, named variety of holly, will be either male and have small male flowers, or female and have the small female flowers. And of course it's only the female varieties, once pollinated, where berries develop. None of this is to say that holly only adds value for the berries in winter. As well as the plain green version, there are a lot of different named varieties, such as this cream variegated one, which really lightens a corner, or the brighter yellow, adding a splash of sunshine, whatever the weather. There's more information on my Gardening by Design website about how gardening supports well-being and how I can help you.